Yes, Don. Geez, what a beautiful navigator's engine. Did you know London used to have a little navigator's railway that connected with a branch line run by terriers? Really, said Gina. Did Millie ever run that on that railway? I don't know if she did or not. I have to ask her. So, how did you get preserved? Said Gina. Well, I got preserved. Back in the early 1960s. I ended up bought the Bluebell Railway in 1961. That's the decision. I was actually built after the Second World War. So what were your first few weeks in the Bluebell like? Oh, marvelous. Me and Stephanie are great pals. We're actually happy Fenchurch is back in Steam. Who knows, maybe Stephanie will officially turn in Steam one day. Who knows? Isn't Tornado coming back to Steam this year? Yeah! Oh, speaking of Tornado, yes! This visit to the to a railway was postponed to August because he was still being involved. Well, these things do take time, you know. I mean, yes, they do. So, what was the first few weeks on Soldier like for you? A little different. But I made friends. Those J50s are very friendly. I had to work with all of them. I heard it was quite tough for J50s to have this branch. Yeah, the J50 class are only made to be shunters. They can't go too far. Luckily the Fat Controller worked around that with other engines, but still, you might have to take engines like us. Yeah. Take engines that are able to go farther than the J50s. So, do people call this really the J50 really? No. I hope they don't. Well, thank you for watching. Yes, said Gina. Oh. Those are my good streams ready. See ya.